In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-post to X, formerly known as Twitter, using Make.com in a streamlined 2025 method. Now, if you're looking to simplify your social media management and take advantage of automation, you're in the right place. First things first, let's head over to Make.com. This is the platform that's going to allow us to connect different apps and design workflows to automate a variety of tasks, including posting on X. So, once you're on the Make.com homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials. If not, take a moment to sign up and then join back here. It's important to ensure you're logged in, because that's where all the magic happens. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Make Home dashboard. This serves as your central hub where you'll manage and create your automation scenarios. From here, navigate to the New Scenario section. This is where you will set the stage for creating new automation. Now go ahead and click on Add. This will prompt us to begin a new automation process, and you'll see various options to choose from. Here, we want to focus on HTTP actions, which basically allow us to send and receive data from different web services. In our case, this will mean sending posts to your X account. You'll want to click on HTTP. After selecting that, you'll see the option to make a request. This option is what we're going to use to connect to X's API and automatically post our content. You'll need to configure your request properly, so pay close attention to the options provided and enter any necessary details. Remember, these details will ensure that your posts go to the right place, at the right time, and in the right format. At this point, don't rush. Take a minute to review what you've set up, ensuring that all your inputs are accurate. Mistakes here could mean posting errors or unexpected results. For added security and precision, double-check any permissions or API key settings you might need to grant or enter during this step. And that wraps up today's guide. By following these steps, you're well on your way to automating your X posts and saving invaluable time. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll dive deeper into refining and expanding your automation capabilities. Happy posting, and remember, with a bit of setup, technology can do the heavy lifting for you.